Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So this is the first episode of me trying to build my own electric skateboard, more importantly a mountain board, and I'm going to take you through the steps. It's not going to be a quick thing to this, it's going to be over a period of months, and I'm going to take you along as I build it, and this is the first stage. So as you can see, I've put the trucks on and the bindings on, and I'm, after a lot of bitching and whining, a bit of swearing, it's the first stage is done. Next stage will be to get the wheels, bearings, and maybe the motor mounts, get those on. That'll be stage 2, and yeah, I'm looking forward to this. It's now that I've got the trucks and the bindings on, it's starting to look like something rather than just a board with lots of holes in it. But what I did show you is a lot of the swearing that I done to even get these things on. Hats off to the likes of Lee Wright and people like that do their own DIY. I'm not an expert at this whatsoever. I have got no clue what I'm doing, but I'm enjoying doing it, and that's the important thing. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video of part 1. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the notification icon if you want to see more videos like this, or indeed anything to do with electric vehicles. And until next time, thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.